Hello everyone, welcome to our channel AJ Pharmacy. So today we will talk about the major vaccine present in the Indian market, that is Covishield and the Covaxin. So one of the important vaccine which are present in the Indian market abundantly, we are talking about in the large amount, they are present in the market of Indian market, obviously we are talking about. So they are present in the abundant amount. So we will do some comparison and we will suggest which one is the better vaccine. So more scientifically we will study about these two. So first we will take, so we are comparing two vaccine, that is Covishield, that is Covishield. So this video is for education purpose, for more knowledge about the vaccines. This is not for the medical purpose. So I am disclaiming this video, and we will talk about Covaxin. Okay, these two are present in the market of Indian market in the abundant amount and the most important vaccine. So first we will do some comparison, then we will say which one is better. More scientifically we will say which get more result, which has more side effect, and after all we will, after that result, we will conclude which one is the better one. So first, the Covishield is formulated by Serum Institute of India, that is SII, and it is uh, produced by or manufactured by Bharat Biotech. They are manufactured by Bharat Biotech, and it is manufactured with collaboration with ICMR, one of the most important organization in the medication or in the medical in the India. And Serum Institute is produced or manufactured in collaboration with AstraZeneca, that is AstraZeneca. Now we will do, so basically what are they? First we are talking about Covishield. Covishield are non-replicating, it is non-replicating viral vector, and the other one, that is Bharat Biotech vaccine, that is Covaxin, it is inactivated virus. It is inactivated virus. This is the first one comparison. Second one comparison, that is what are the technology from which they are manufactured or produced. So if you talk about Covishield, it is manufactured by recombinant. The technology used is the recombinant chimpanzee adenovirus, and the other point will be what other technology used, that is weakened and genetically modified virus. It is genetically modified virus. That is, we are talking about the technology through which the Covishield is made. If we talk about Bharat Biotech Covaxin, it is made by using the technology, that is killed it is killed SARS CoV 2 virus. It is killed SARS-CoV-2 virus, and no potential to it is not potential to replicate or infect. But if you talk about the comparison with the Covishield, it will infect or it will replicate over the time. So it has no potential. It has no potential to infect and replicate. These are the technology through which these two vaccines are made. Now we will talk about their structure. What are they look like? So if we talk about Covishield, it has a spike protein. It has a spike protein. It has a spike protein on the surface. But in the case of Covaxin, it is nucleocapsid protein. It is nucleocapsid protein. So these are some of the point, and we are talking about some comparison point about these two vaccine which are abundantly marketed in India, and they are mostly used in India market. Now the basic question, which one is the best? Now we'll talk about some side effect on which is, vaccine has more side effect, or which vaccine is not used in that medical condition, and from that result and we will conclude which vaccine is more better and more safely to use. So now we will take some medical condition. So medical condition we are taking. Okay, so the person which are insensitive or which is sensitive, person which are sensitive to pain and worried about serious side effect or some side effect, worried about side effects, worried about side effect, they should use Covaxin. They should use Covaxin. The first point is here that what are the advantage of Covaxin? That it is the person who's complaining about sensitive to pain and worried about certain side effect, so that person has more advantage about Covaxin. But in the case of Covishield, it is it I think produce more pain and it has more side effect than Covaxin. Now the second point, these are the first point and second point. The person which has history or risk of blood clotting, history and risk of blood clotting, okay, they should use Covaxin. Because one of the side effect of Covishield is that it produce or it will produce more blood clotting effects. These are the rare side effect of Covishield. So Covishield, we will say here in the point, Covishield has side effect of blood clotting. So the person which are suffer from serious effect due to blood clotting, they should use Covaxin. So it is basically it is a rare side effect. It is not seen in many patient. It is seen in some of the patient complaining about the blood clotting after using the Covishield. The third and the important point, and because we have discussed the advantage point of Covaxin, now we will discuss about the advantage point of Covishield. What are the advantages of Covishield taking of this vaccine? So in the third point we will talk about this. Covishield produce more antibody. Covishield produce more antibody, that it mounts more antibodies. What it means? It means that the chances of producing the antibody in the case of Covishield is much more higher than in the case of Covaxin. So this is the important and the advantage point of Covishield. The second point, Covishield are best for the patient which has frail immunity. These are important. Those patient which have frail immunity. So they should use or they should take Covishield. So in the nutshell, what we have discussed? We have discussed some comparison between two vaccine, that is Covishield and the Covaxin. And after that we had discussed some advantage point of Covaxin, some disadvantage point of Covaxin, some advantage point of Covishield, and some advantage point of Covishield, disadvantage point of Covishield. So from this result we have concluded that both vaccine are good, but it depends on the person they are taking. So we can't say that this vaccine is good and this vaccine is good. So we can't conclude from the result that A vaccine is very good, B vaccine is very good. It depends on the person who are taking that vaccine. So we should take both of them, and we should take this vaccine according to the person need. So this is all about the comparison between two vaccine of more abundantly and important vaccine of the Indian market. So hope you like this video, share it with your friends and relative, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this.